Welcome to Guru Helps. Today, we'll walk through a Python program that combines AI with a simple task-do kind of application, TaskAI.
This program is a simple AI-powered to-do list manager called TaskAI. Let me break it down quickly for you. First, we import the OpenAI library and load the API key from a separate file to connect with OpenAI. This ensures secure and easy access to the GPT model. Next, we define an empty list called tasks to store all the to-do items that the user will add. The getAI response function is the part of the program where we interact with OpenAI's API. It takes a prompt, essentially a question or a request, and sends it to the API to get an intelligent response. Inside the function, we specify parameters like engine. We're using the GPT-4o mini model to process the prompt. Max tokens. This limits the length of the response to 100 tokens, ensuring it's concise. Temperature. This controls how creative or random the AI's responses are. A value of 0.7 strikes a balance between being too predictable and too creative. When the API returns a response, the function extracts the text from it and sends it back to the user. This function powers the suggest command in our app, where the AI comes up with helpful task ideas to add to the to-do list. If there's an issue, like a connection error, it will print an error message instead of crashing. The handle.user input function does most of the work. Based on what the user types, it can add a task, remove a task, show all tasks, ask the AI for a task suggestion. If the command doesn't match any of these, it shows an error message. Finally, the main function starts the program. It greets the user, explains the commands, and keeps running until the user types exit or quit. And that's it. A fun way to manage tasks while exploring Python and AI. You can build on this to add even more features. Thanks for tuning in.